good morning all of you. This is Sunya Thakur from Maa Kalyanika Public School. Welcome you all to our English grammar class. Students, in this class we will discuss in a new topic. But before going to the new topic, I must tell you that you all have known about what is a verb. Yes, except words are called verb. But today we will study about the different topic, that is an adverb. So what is an adverb? Look at the example I am showing. I work, and next is I work slowly. Students, look at these two sentences. Here, first sentence I have written I work, and second sentence I have written I work slowly. So here work is your verb. Yes, action word. Now come to this one. Here, this also your action word means verb, but this slowly word is telling more about the verb. So this, if the word is telling more about the verb, then that word is called your adverb. One more example. The baby cries loudly. Look at this. The baby cries loudly. Here cries is your, what is that? Action word means verb, and loudly is telling more about this verb, means that is loudly. So here slowly, loudly, these words are called your adverb. So students, in this class we will start adverb and the exercises what is given in your book of adverbs. Let's start. Now students, we will see that the man is jogging this. Okay? The dog is holding the ball this. Means you have to see that here some words given, but unscrambled. We have to do the scrambled word. The man is jogging this. What is the word here? Which will start with S. S, L, O, W, N, Y. Slowly. Number 2, the dog is holding the ball this. Carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-N-N-Y. The woman is doing yoga quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Quietly. The boy is reading a book this. Here also like this. Happily. Happily. So students, you have to see that these slowly, carefully, quietly, happily, these words are adverbs. Now we will do the number 8. Now students, we will see that here it has given underline the how adverbs in these sentences. How adverbs means if you will ask how, then you have to see get the answer. Okay, how I am telling. See here, Sandra waited quietly in the doctor's clinic. Okay, here you have to see that what is an action word. Yes, waited here an action word. For this action word, which word has told more, that is quietly. Waited quietly. So adverb is quietly. Underline this adverb means how waited. Look at this. Sandra waited quietly means how did Sandra wait? Sandra waited quietly. If you will ask by using the word how, then you will get the answer. Next one. I crossed the road carefully. Here action word is cross. Cross the road carefully. Here this is an adverb. Now, some birds sing sweetly. How? Sweetly. Sweetly, you have to put underline under sweetly. Next, the minister answered the king's questions cleverly. Answer is your action word. How? Cleverly. Then, Prabhat answered the question correctly. Here, again, answer is your verb means action word. Then, how? Correctly. Here Farah welcomed the guest cheerfully. How? cheerfully. So students, you have to see that quietly, carefully, sweetly, cleverly, correctly, cheerfully. These words are your adverbs. We will see number B. Here it has given add ly or ily to make an adverb. Okay, these words are your adjectives. How? Lucky, then dear, honest, polite, happy, active, brave, loud, happy, calm. Okay, these are your adjectives describing words. Then we have to make these words as an adverb. How we will make? By using ly or ily. If the letter y, you will find the letter y at last, then it will change with iny. Okay, otherwise you have to put ly with the words. Let's see. Lucky, it has already given in your book. Lucky y is there, y will change with iny. So what will be the spelling? Luckily. Dear, dearly. Then honest, honestly. Polite, politely. Again, happy, y is there. As I told you before, y is there. Then what will come? I-L-Y. The spelling will be H-E-A-V-I-L-Y. Happily. Now come to number 6. Active, actively. Actively. Brave, bravely. Loud, loudly. Happy, again y will come. So we have to change it with I-L-Y. Okay. Then calm, calmly. So students, you have seen here that how I have changed the adjectives to adverb. See, luckily, dearly, honestly, politely, happily, actively, bravely, loudly, happily, calmly. I hope students you all have understood these exercises. This here the question is asking that whatever the given these words in the brackets, we have to add ly or ily and fill up the blanks. Okay, like easy, easily, quick, quickly, patient, patiently, rude, rudely, then neat, neatly, careful, carefully. Now look at the sentences. First one has given Sahil read the newspaper days before leaving for school. Okay. See here, quick is given. What will come here? Quickly. Quickly. Because it has instructed like that, you have to put ly or ily to make the verb. Before number we have already discussed it in part 1. Now you have to see it quickly. Sahil read the newspaper quickly before leaving for school. Next number, it is important to drive this. Everybody have known that. Drive carefully. Next number, Gaurav apologized to his friend for speaking this. Apologized means to excuse. Okay, to ask for excuse. If you are doing anything wrong, then you have to ask for excuse. That is apologize. Gaurav apologized to his friend for speaking. What is that? Rudely. Rudely. Now, Sharad arranged the books on the shelves desk. Any word say neat is here? We have to put neatly. Next number, Meeta waited days in the queue for her turn. Okay, Meeta waited days in the queue. Meeta waited patiently. P-A-T-I-E-N-T-L-Y. Last one, Raman could find Mary's house. One is left. Yes, easy. And I will make it E-A-S-I-L-Y. Because here it has given Y. Last letter is Y. So we have to change the word with I and Y. So students, look at here. Sahil read the newspaper quietly before leaving the school. It is important to drive carefully. Then Gaurav apologized to his friend for speaking rudely. And Sarath arranged the books on the shelves neatly. Meeta waited patiently in the queue for her turn. And Raman could find Mary's house easily. I hope students you all have understood this number. Now we will do the next